Hey, this is Milton, and today I'm going to talk about home ownership. Three things that make home ownership a good investment. And first is appreciation, second is cash flow, and third is paying down of the principal. So appreciation, what does that mean? Appreciation is the value of the home going up every single year. So in some markets in the United States, there's no appreciation or very little, but there's other places like, for example, California, where I grew up. That place has lots of appreciation. So you could buy a home for say 300,000 and you can sell it for in 2 years and make maybe 350,000. So you get $50,000 equity in your home. So that's one reason why it's important to buy real estate, better than renting, because whatever you buy, especially in a high appreciating market, the value will continue to go up. The second reason is cash flow. So what is cash flow? For example, if you buy a home and your mortgage is like $1,500, but you get a renter for that and they're paying $2,000 a month, then you have a $500 cash flow after you pay your mortgage and your insurance, because a lot of times they're all bundled in together. So cash flow, there's really good places, especially in the South right now, that have cash flow markets. For example, you can buy a house maybe for $12,000 in Louisiana and then rent it out for say $600 a month. And after you would pay your mortgage and everything, so $1,200, I would say like maybe it's or $12,000. Like for example, the payment is $120, but you're getting $600 a month. So you're making about $400 in cash flow. So that's another reason to buy a home. The third reason to buy a home is paying down the principal. So what is the principal? The principal is the actual number of the house, like how much the house is going for. So if you bought a house for 155, so every time you would pay your mortgage, there would be some that go to interest. That's why we have interest rates. And then some would go to pay down the principal, the $125,000 home. So it's going to come down to 124, 123, 122. I hope y'all found this video helpful. Remember, home ownership, it's a good thing. And the three things that I can think of is 1, appreciation, 2, cash flow, 3, paying down of the principal. Thank you. And if you like this video, subscribe, please.